What's up people, welcome to Otaku Sunny, and today we are going to unbox a special figurine from the anime One Piece, which is as you have heard, today we are going to unbox Nami from One Piece. So as you can see guys, this is Nami Lightning Blast from Bandai, and it is produced by Tamanishi Nation, and as you can see, it is an official product which has a Toei animation seal in it. So the package is really good and great. So yeah, without any further delay, let's open up the package. So as you can see, the packaging is the same as the previous one, Ria's Grimoire one, as the high-end figures always comes in like this to protect the figures. So it's really great, and as you can see that there are a lot of detailing, and Nami is in her egghead dress form. So you can see her companion partner Zeus using her thunder attack, like so. We have opened the thunderbolts and we'll put that aside क्योंकि हमारा मेन फोकस फिगर में होना चाहिए. So very carefully we have to open this. Maybe I should do it like this. Even these has stereo tapes. So okay, we have successfully opened her up from the packaging, and let's have a look. As you can see, these figures are really expensive because they are highly detailed figures, and they are also very much like difficult to find. So we'll put the plastic or case away. So as you can see, it is a highly detailed figure by looking at it. So there are two thunderbolts we have gotten from it, and so okay guys, I have figured it out. Like, one thunderbolt will go here, so we will attach it here for, as you can see, and the another one will go here. Okay, so another will go on his side face, like on the side of his face. So we will attach it like this. So yeah, now it's complete. So as you can see, it is highly detailed figure. Like, there are insane detail. Like, you can see her tattoo, which she like in the past she was carrying Arlong pirate tattoo like symbol. Then later she replaced it, and then you can see it is from the Egghead Hawk outfit. So insane detailing, like you can even see the Vegapunk suit gear, like which helps them fly. So it's gorgeous, and these figures are like normally very costly, so and they get sold out very quickly. And you can see the weapon which God Usopp has made for her. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoy the video, and please subscribe my channel and like it, and please comment your thoughts so that I can improve next time on my unboxing. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. I will see you on the next video.
She